I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account on Couchsurfing. For that, first of all, open up your Couchsurfing app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see that you can sign up with Apple or Facebook, or you can sign up with email by tapping on Join Couchsurfing. For now, I'm going to sign up with my email. Enter your first name and your last name. Enter your birth date. Select your gender. After that, enter the city you live in. And when you're done, tap on Continue. Now you need to enter your email address and create a password. If you agree to Couchsurfing's terms of use and privacy policy, tap on the small square which is before I accept. And then tap on Create Account. This way you can create Couchsurfing account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.